From the staff of Moab Jeeper Magazine, my name is George Pandoff, and welcome to another Moab Jeeper video spot.
You know, normally we do product updates about every year, but when we tried out the Wilson cellular amplifier, because of it being an electronic device, we decided that we needed to do a 2-year update on this. We subject the cellular amplifier to all kinds of wind, dust, rain, snow, everything. And we had concerns, would an electronic device hold up? Well, without a doubt, they've held up excellent. We're actually running 2 of these systems. Now, the one problem we did have is with the ratcheting device. Now, the ratcheting device is to loosen the clamps that hold your phone in place. Now, if this cellular amplifier was in a car or some other closed-in vehicle, we have no qualms about the ratcheting device holding up. But honestly, down here in the sand of Moab, I can't expect wheel bearings to hold up. How can I expect a plastic cellular amplifier to actually hold up under these conditions? So again, I can't fault the device. It's the environment we place it in. But as far as function, absolutely outstanding. As long as you have some type of cellular signal, you'll be able to boost that up and you can get your phone calls in and out. And the other thing that we've noticed is people on the distant end can tell that there is some clarity to the cell phone call when the amplifier is on. Now, it's kind of funny because originally we got the cellular phone amplifiers and we were testing them out in remote locations, and something that's kind of come of it is that whenever we take road trips somewhere, we always bring them. And the reason being is because in this modern day, for most people, your cell phone is kind of your emergency backup. Well, in the Southwest here, there's a whole lot of places where the phone signal is just too weak to actually be able to get a call out. And I want every edge that I can get to be able to get that call out if I had an emergency. So while yes, we could mount them permanently, we keep them flexible so that we can move them from vehicle to vehicle. Because we go on a road trip, the Wilson cellular amplifier goes with us.